I'm going to make a real noise across the city. Oh look, a radio. Let's play it. This is how you do it. You turn the radio on to something funny. Turn the volume up and now let it play. Wait a minute, this sound is too boring. It's not loud enough either. Oh wait, I have to change the radio tune to make a funnier noise on the radio. 3, 2, 1. The dust is so shitty, I'm going to go out this playground right now. Bye-bye, sucker.
Hey yo, pee pee poo poo check.
People have been looking up into the skies recently as strange noises have been heard above Britain.
What the fuck? Never heard this strange noise before in my life. I never heard this on the news before. I'm going to investigate who did it.
The sound resembled that of a trumpet being
No. Now what to do next? I know. I'm gonna jump on Numberblocks to bed.
in which we can see
You! It was you who made the strange noises across our city. Also, why are you in my bedroom?
Okay, Numberblocks 2, calm down. First of all, it wasn't me. It was the hamster.
What are you talking about? There's no hamster in our city. We banned pets in Numberworld since the 1920s.
Wow, you have a very funny voice too. Also, you should check the weather.
What? Stop! Where do you think you're going? You're not supposed to be out there. I'm talking to you right now. Excuse me, one? You made this whole city into Ohio buses. That's it. You're grounded for 200,000 years. Go to your room now.
Oh, you'll see the consequence, Numberblocks 2. After I get home from my room, I'm going to play that noise again.
Oh, I bet you won't. That was very scary. It gave me sleep disturbances.
Breaking news! There have been some random walk. Don't know who that suspect is, but apparently he was trespassing in the Numberworld playground just to find a left out radio and use that radio just to make a loud, strange noise across our city and to give people sleep disturbances. Here's the suspect's image, by the way. Yeah, he looks very ugly. However, we do not know where the suspect is, and if we do find him, he'll be sentenced to life in prison. Anyway, I'm Aubrey Howell, and I'm your news reporter for this whole year. I know him. He's my son, Numberblocks 1. Oh, did I forget to mention the noise the city makes now? Also, the fact that the city's polluted after the suspect broke the radio. That noise always felt so familiar in my ears, and I hope that the Numberworld authorities arrest him for life.
The air is so damn bad, but I have to do this. I think this is the suspect's home. Let's try to go inside and see what he's up to right now. Not so fast. We found you.
Wait a minute, how the hell you come to my house?
Because I've seen your face multiple times across news platforms.
What do you mean by news platforms?
I'm not arguing with you. Put your hands in the back. You're under arrest.
What for?
For making strange noises across the city and polluting this whole entire city, Numberworld.
Hey, you came to arrest Numberblocks 1, Sheriff Ella?
They really fucking did. And yes, also, sorry for my swearing. I really love to curse. Sorry, my bad. But you've been such a good parent, and I appreciate it very much. We're not cleaning up this whole city in one day, at least as soon as possible. Now, come on, criminal, let's go.
I swear, I didn't do anything.
Well, off you go in prison one. Okay, I'm done.